Hello everyone, my name is Vasim Dhunna and I've got 15 years of experience in software development and we will be talking here about Python. Python is a very popular programming language which was designed for readability and it has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python is extremely simple, easy to learn. The syntax here emphasizes readability, which reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard libraries are available in source or binary form without any charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Python can be used for different reasons. It can be used for server-side web development, software development, mathematics, or system scripting. Python works on majority of different platforms, whether it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. It has got a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that the prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object oriented way, or a functional way. In my series, we will be starting with basic and go up to the expert level. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Hello everyone, my name is